Thank you.
Yeah. Well, here's something else that your family can enjoy. The Magic House is inviting you to explore the Children's Museum in Kirkwood in a whole new way. Hero Quest is the newest interactive exhibit. This time, though, it weaves its way through the entire museum. Let me show you how it works and how you may just find a hero within yourself along the way.
Once upon a time, on the coldest day of the year,
this storybook in this book nook is just one chapter and a journey, a quest throughout the Magic House.
oh, there's Leonardo da Vinci.
So Hero Quest is a scavenger hunt throughout the Magic House to find heroes that are hidden among our other exhibits while you're finding the hero within yourself.
I'm Dolly Parton, and I see the light that shines within you.
Heroes who exemplify character traits like courage, kindness, curiosity, creativity, and more. Here at the Hero Quest Gallery, there is space designed to spark reflection and have a good old-fashioned chat.
What does your card say? What would you do if you saw someone sitting alone at lunch?
We're hoping that this can be an example for how parents can use books to have conversations at home about what it means to be a person of good character.
This ambitious project is part of a national initiative called Fostering Character Through Children's Museums, funded by Lilly Endowment Incorporated and developed in partnership with CharacterPlus.
This whole project is based on the work of Brad Meltzer and Christopher Eliopoulos, who have created a wonderful book series for children about what it means to be a good character, what it means to be a hero.
At the same time, Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum, the exhibit, makes its return to the Magic House. It's based off the PBS show, also inspired by the book series, Ordinary People Change the World.
It's a little bit of a different twist because it's about 3 children who are going back in time to meet the historical figures, those historical heroes that the books are about.
Guests will make their way through this exhibit in their search for the heroes throughout the museum, highlighted in this passport. Find them all and get a free sticker to remind you and those around you about the lesson at the core of this quest. Then, next summer, Hero Quest will expand throughout St. Louis City and County with even more book nooks at places like libraries and the Science Center before touring the country.
So you want the whole community talking about what it means to be a hero and what it means to have good character.
Yes, Hero Quest is fun, it's colorful, it's packed with surprises, but it's also a call to action to learn, reflect, and grow. And along the way, find the hero within yourself. Both Hero Quest and Xavier Riddle, the Secret Museum, the exhibit, are included with regular museum admission. The Magic House Children's Museum, located at 516 South Kirkwood Road in St. Louis County. You can follow them on social media or visit magichouse.org for details on hours and tickets. They're always coming up with new, great interactive exhibits and conversation starters, too, for parents and their kids.
Yeah.
Very
Good
creative.
stuff.
Yeah, thank you very much, Paige.